Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Capcut on your mobile device. So if you never had a Capcut on your mobile device, on your phone, iPhone, Android, you have to make sure that you install the Capcut first. So if you are an iPhone user, you just need to go into the App Store. Okay, and after that you just need to go into the search sections here, and now type into the search button a Capcut. Okay, and after you find it, you just need to click it, and now find out, make sure that the application that you want to install have this symbols. Okay, and after that you just need to go click get here if you never installed your Capcut yet. But if you already have it, this purple be gonna be open or update if you need to update. Okay, so after that you just need to wait, follow the instructions first, and after that wait until the application is 100% installed into your phone. And after the Capcut is already installed on your phone, now let's do the editing by go open the Capcut application. If you're a first timer, you just need to go click new project to start your project. You can explore the video that you have on your phone, or you can also do with a photos, so you can collapse all of the photos into one project to make a animation photos, and in the end it will be in a video format. But if you have no media, you have no photo or video, you can go into the stock videos and use the videos that already provided by the Capcut. For example, I would like to give you this two video. Wait a second. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click add. And now you already have the project here. This name is project, and this one is the screen that you can use for previewing all your editing, and this side is features of the Capcut that you can explore too. So you can explore everything. If you want to edit, start with edit. You can do anything through the clip, such as split this the clip, or you can also adjust in the speed, add the animations. You can also deleting the clip if you don't like the clip anymore. You can also adjusting the volume of the clip too. You can crop it, and still many more. You can adjusting the length of the clip by split the clip first, and you can also deleting the rest clip. That will be the same. So you can just explore everything that appear on this side to edit your video. After you're done with your editing, you just need to go click this, or you can also adjusting the format first. You can adjust the resolutions, frame rates, code rates, as well as the HDR on this video. And after you're done with adjusting the format, you just need to click this arrows to export and save your editing into your device. That's all. That's how the way you use Capcut on your mobile device. So if you find out that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.